folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the JA Roby Gemini cook stove, and I am super excited to have it here for you guys today. This is going to be a stacked model wood cook stove, and it's one of the largest ones I've actually seen, really. It sits at like 54, almost 55 inches tall, so it's quite tall. It does have a blower on the rear of the stove, which is a unique option because most cook stoves don't actually offer a blower. For cook stoves to be EPA exempt, actually, they can't have a blower model. But this JA Roby Gemini is an EPA certified model, and so it does have a blower option. So that's a pretty cool feature. There is a cage that's going to mount onto the top here that's also going to help convect the heat out, and we'll get that installed and show you on that up close a little bit later. It is going to be a top vent flue here, and you do have the ability to tie in outside air into the JA Roby Gemini as well. So if outside air is an option that you need, that's something to keep in mind. The Gemini is going to be a large heat output. For a stacked model, this unit is going to produce heat for 55,000 BTUs, could potentially heat up to a 3,000 square foot home, depending on how well insulated this space is. So you have a nice large baking oven in here, and it's going to be stainless steel lining inside the baking oven. This model does come standard with 2 baking racks, so that's pretty nice to have as well. Of course, you have the nice thick gasketing here on the oven door as well. Your damper control on this particular model is basically going to be located on the bottom, and then you have a heat output vent on the top oven as well. So just 2 simple damper controls on the Gemini stove. I want to show you guys inside the firebox before installing your JA Roby bricks. These are super tight bricks, and so you can see here that there is like debris, sand debris from the bricks. It is super important that you vacuum this out prior to installing your bricks, otherwise they might not fit. The other thing I want to point out is there are screws here. You see these screws in the tabs? They are located on each side of the firebox here. Your bricks are going to need to start above these screws. So you have to prop them up a little bit and get the height above the top of the tab. Otherwise, this will block your screw and your middle brick won't fit into the bottom of your firebox. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys do like these videos, if they're helpful, educational, informational, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. The more likes I get, the more videos I'll continue to produce. Also, if you guys would please just click that little subscribe button in the corner of the channel, that helps me out so much. If you find these interesting, share them with a friend who might find them interesting as well. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.